Hello guys, welcome back to She Code. So in our SQL series, the next lead code question is delete duplicate mails. Okay, this question is quite important because this question has been asked in various college placements. Okay, assessments taken by various companies and colleges for their placement criteria. So it's quite important. It's easy as well. Okay, so let's start with the question. We have a table person which has two columns, ID and email. Okay, obviously the ID is the primary key. Okay, and each of this table contains an email. Fine. What we have to do is we have to delete all duplicate mails, keeping only one unique mail with the smallest ID. Okay, the next thing given to us is for SQL users, please note that you are supposed to write a delete statement and not a select one. And for Panda users, please note that you are supposed to modify person in place. Okay, as we are using SQL, so we'll use delete statement and not select one. Okay. So the delete statement actually deletes the existing record. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to use the delete statement instead of select statement, and we have to delete the duplicate mails present in the persons table. Okay, and we have to keep that email ID whose ID is smallest. Okay, if you look at the example over here, we have this person table with three IDs 1, 2 and 3 with the three emails. Here ID 1 and ID 3 have repeating emails, so we will delete the ID 3 from the person table. Okay, and we will keep the ID 1. So we will john@example.com is repeated 2 times, so we keep the row with the smallest ID. So we have to keep the row with the smallest ID. So the approach to solve this question will be, we will create two instances of this table and we will compare that instances, that whether the instances have similar email and whether the ID number is greater than or less than of those two instances. Okay, so let's start with the query. Instead of select statement, we have to use the delete statement. Delete person P1. Okay, here we are taking two instances, so P1 dot person from person P1 join person. Okay, what I have done over here is we have created two instances P1 and P2 from persons table, and we have used the self join, that is joining. We are joining those two instances together and we are deleting one table, one row. Okay, and we will delete one of the instance where the criteria is matching. Okay, where, here is the condition, where P1 dot email should be equal to P2 dot email. Okay, the email ID should be equal, the ID number, that is this ID number should be less than the other ID number. Okay, that is P1 dot ID should be less than P2 dot ID. Okay, it should be greater than, Okay, actually we have done over here is we have created two instances P1 and P2. Okay, and now we are deleting P1 instance from the table where the P1 dot email should be equal to P2 dot email and the ID number should be greater than the other ID number. Okay, let's run it and check if it is correct. Okay, so our query is correct and we got our expected output. Let's submit it. So do practice the same query in your lead code and share it with your friends. Query is quite easy. You just have to use delete statement instead of select statement. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Happy coding.